In my house, I like just
Oh, what'd you get? You got lipstick? Libby, show mommy what you have. Is that lipstick? Oh boy, I'm sure Daddy's excited about that. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful, Caroline.
The crush down.
Yeah, there's got to be something in either Iowa or Michigan.
And did you see Dora bags? Dora bags? Do you have those?
Awesome. No, I don't.
Is there any more
For your snack.
Is there any more presents for me?
No, buddy. Say thank you for those presents.
Say, hey, I had a lot of presents today, thanks.
Libby, let's
Say
see.
thank you. I'm very fortunate for what I have here.
Is that a present?
James, how
Liney,
many presents did you get today?
Go.
Only two.
James,
Only
that's not true.
You know,